Hi, I'm Krista with L2L Support. Welcome to this tips and tricks video on how an operator interacts with the operator portal. Logged in as a user in L2L, navigate to the operator portal line that you are working on for the day. Once there, you'll see metrics at the top of the page, pitches in the center, and to the right, your list of orders, standard work to be completed, and a spot to check in. As you start your day, the first thing you'll want to do is check in. Notice that now that I'm checked in, you'll see that I have a level 3 training. That's if you're using the skills module. Next, we're going to start an order. Click on the order that you wish to begin, click Start Changeover. Should you need to perform any changeover tasks, do that, and then click Finish Changeover. Now your order has started. As actuals come in or towards the end of the pitch, click into the pitch, enter any actuals, include any scrap, and click Save. If the line or machine is down for any reason, you can enter a dispatch for maintenance by using the big green button in the left-hand side. Populate the fields, enter a description, and click Create. If the machine is down and you can take care of the issue, you can click Add Plus New Operator Fix, fill out the fields, and click Create. Periodically, you may be asked to complete standard work on the line. Standard work will automatically pop up, as seen here, when it is set to launch. Click New Standard Work, fill in the fields, and mark the checklist closed. At the end of the shift, go back to your check-in box and click Check Out. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks video or reach out to us on the support site.